Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to use BoldTrail. First, navigate to the BoldTrail website on your browser. BoldTrail is a comprehensive AI-powered platform designed to help real estate agents and brokerages grow efficiently. BoldTrail combines the inside real estate portfolios of solutions into one cohesive ecosystem, powering and streaming your workflow to drive maximum productivity. You can experience a next-gen real estate tech solution with AI-powered smart CRM, customizable ITX websites, lead generation, recruiting tools, and back-office automations. Also, bring your entire business together and drive scalable growth with BoldTrail. It is the most robust lead generation system available, driving both organic and paid leads to your brokerage agents and teams. It grows and differentiates your brand with sleek, high-converting ITX websites and seamlessly manage and promote all listings from one central location. This website attracts and retains top talent, grow with confidence, and empower your team like never before. To see what BoldTrail can do, enter your name, phone, email, job title, and interest. After that, submit it to continue. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.